Welcome back, everybody. So it is the end of the month, and you know what that means. Maybe you might have forgotten, but the end of the month usually means it is time for our thrift store Halloween haul. So it is time for its triumphant return. I did manage to find some semi-good things this month at my local Goodwills that I'm going to share with you. But you know, I do like to go thrifting, looking for Halloween stuff throughout the year, several times a month generally, and share these items with you. But before we actually get into all of the goodies that I buy, I do like to share with you my ugly pumpkin of the month. Now, this is something that I will either find in the store or someone out there will show me what they have found out and about. That is just a sad excuse for a pumpkin. And this is this year's ugly pumpkin of the month, or this month's ugly pumpkin of the month, I should say. And I don't know what it is about this. I think it might be the little purple scarf. It's sort of misshapen nose and odd eyes. It's just a little sad looking. So this is what wins for this month's ugly pumpkin of the month. But if you have a better suggestion, be sure to send them to me over on my Instagram page, Happy Haunter. I'll put a link to that, of course, in the description below. And if you provide next month's winning ugly pumpkin of the month, of course, you will get a shout out on our thrift store haul video. But with that out of the way, let me go ahead and show you what I found that started off this month's shopping craze at the Goodwill. And that's this really heavy display box, this little Curio cabinet. I thought it was awesome. This was $6.99. Now, if you follow along my thrift store Halloween hauls, you'll find that I almost always get something home just to find that it is broken. And I can't find anything that's broken in this cabinet. It seems pretty high quality. I mean, it's wood. It's got the mirror background. It has glass shelves that are not cracked, are not chipped, are not broken. So I'm very excited about it. So I figured that I might paint it black or something and kind of make a sort of witch's curio cabinet or a potion cabinet. Of course, I have this in here the wrong way to open it, but I brought a couple of little tchotchkes to put in there just so we can kind of get a little idea, you know, put a little skull there, maybe some potions. And I think it's going to be pretty cool. So I can't wait to craft this up with you guys. We'll take a crack at that maybe a little bit later, closer to Halloween. If we don't get to it this Halloween, you know, it will be one of those projects coming up you can stay tuned for. But I was very excited about this. $6.99, I couldn't believe it. I feel like this should be more than that. But let me know, what do you think? Have you made your own little witch's cabinet? What did you put in it? I've got all these ideas swirling in my head, and I can't wait to try them. So the other thing that kind of caught my eye and got me motivated was this card. Now, I love sending Halloween cards. If you're one of my patrons, you probably get some of these. And what this one is you can kind of see there, is a little haunted house with some trees and a moon in the background. But when you open it up, happy haunting. Happy haunting. Is that not perfect? It almost fit in the bottom of this thing too. But I don't know, I thought this might be something I might put a background on, maybe a little frame if I can find one in this odd little size here, and make a little art project out of it. I could almost do a little bit without these ghosts though, but I don't know, it's kind of cute, I guess. But that was fun. I was very excited to see that, so I had to get it. This was 99 cents. Is it Hallmark? It is a Hallmark card according to the label on the back. All right, so what else have I got here? Now, I know I've said it before, I don't buy the bowls because I have a stack full of bowls, but there was something I really liked about this one because it's got the very dramatic orange color in the middle, which is great because you don't really want your design in the middle because you're going to fill it up with candy or whatnot, nobody's going to see it. So I really like the designs on the sides, and I think these jack-o'-lantern faces are just really creepy. That one's a little happy, but I mean, that one is certainly evil. and I think it looks good just sitting on the table. In fact, it caught my eye while it was just sitting on the shelf. So this was 99 cents. It's plastic, so I mean, it probably didn't cost much more than that new, but I'm not complaining. I really like it. So one more bowl to add to the collection. All right, just move this over here. I'm gonna put Mr. Skull on the floor for now. Okay. This might be a little bit fall as opposed to Halloween, but I really liked it. The orange color with all the little leaf patterns, and you can kind of see the different, I don't know, shadow effects. Kind of looks like it's coming through from the inside. I really loved it. So probably put this out around fall. I've collected a lot of orange vases from the Goodwill over the last couple of years. If you've been following along, I was like, I'm going to do something with this, and then I never do. But we'll see. I could put some sticks of leaves or something in here, and it'd work just fine. But that's not the only vase I got. I got this little guy too. Oh, this one, 79 cents. 79 cents. And actually, I think this bowl, because it was yellow, was half price. So I think I only paid 49 cents for this, actually. That was the only thing. Every week, or is it every day? I don't know. Goodwill prices something half price, depending on the color of the sticker. And this was considered housewares for some reason, which was on sale. So I got that 50% off. This little vase I thought was cute because, of course, it's the orange color that's awesome. It's probably really hard to see there in the video, but it's got a big crackle effect, which kind of reminded me of spider webs, but even more so, just these little black, sort of looks like it's scraped off, damaged, sort of old looking. The black and the orange just sells Halloween to me. So I figured, even if I take some of these little dollar store rose things, we can make a little something out of it. I don't know. That's kind of cute, huh? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I liked it. So this was this was 79 cents also. So I love it when I can get something that's less than $1. All right, where's that good black spot? There's one best side here. I like that side. There we go. All right. And we could even, I need some longer stems for this one too, I guess, but we could use some of the dollar store flowers for that one too. They even have dollar store little like glitter sticks. I've done a few floral displays, I think, videos in the past. Check them out if you're interested. Okay, what else? All right, another crafty project I got. I can't help myself when I see the little candlesticks with little dangly things. I like this one because it had the real dark red dangly bits. I'm sure that's a technical term, dangly bits. Don't like the silver, but I figured I could paint this black, and with the black and the red, kind of looks like my vampire candlesticks that I made in a previous video, where I used the red beads to make it look like it's blood dripping down. So if I ever do my vampire theme again with my blackened red candlesticks, I can make this fit right in. So this was a little bit pricier. It was $1.99, but again, it'll provide me hours of entertainment while we craft something. Not only do we get to paint the candlestick, we get to figure out a candle to put on it. Maybe one of my fun bloody candles. I don't know. All right. So let's see, what else? I got this little guy, and he is super cute, I think. In fact, I saw him on the shelf. I knew I had to have him, and I don't know why, because I get a lot of these little tchotchkes, and I never put them out, but I just thought he was so expressive and cute. I had to have him. He was 99 cents. He says boo. He probably is a dollar store thing that only costs $1 anyway, but I don't care. I like him, and that's all that matters, right? So we'll put Mr. Boo over here. All right. Also got this fun mug. Again, I have a collection of Halloween mugs. I really liked this one because it kind of looks a little vintagey. It's got a pretty awesome handle here. Kind of looks like the stem of his pumpkin, which kind of should be on his head, so that's a little strange. Maybe because it's coming off the bottom one. I don't know. But I use these in my my desk over here just to put pencils in. I like to put pencils in one, put scissors in one, crafting things, so you can never have enough little containers to put things in, and it just kind of makes me happy that they're all Halloween. So what am I going to put in this one, you're asking yourself? I also found for 99 cents a bunch of Halloween pencils. I have already a bunch of Halloween pencils, and I use them all year round. I just think it's fun, keeps me thinking about Halloween, keeps me happy. And these are fun. I know you'll never see that in here, but like this one is like laboratory equipment. This one is just words and Halloween, well, Halloween words with some skulls. Again, another one in green. There's one in here that's like all eyeballs. And I think that might be it. Are there just 4 kinds maybe? No, this one is different too. Looks like a bunch of Halloween icons like ghosts and skulls and things. But anyway, now I got another pencil cup so I can use my pencils year round. And I don't feel guilty using them because I've got lots now. So I can keep at it all year round. Speaking of pumpkins, can't have enough. So I have... I got this little guy. I don't know if he works. He was 99 cents, but he should light up. Should we test it? Okay. I guess it's got 5 screws on the bottom, but I've made this mistake in the past. You only have to unscrew the one. So let me get my screwdriver and a battery, and let's check it out. All right, moment of truth. It works. So it is just a little simple, white light bulb, but, so many times I get these things from the Goodwill and they don't work. I'm just always pleasantly surprised when they do. So we've had good luck. Nothing broken. I haven't found any chips that I wasn't aware of, so we're doing pretty good. I've only got one thing left, so I don't think my streak's gonna be broken. It is yet another Halloween banner. It says, Happy Halloween. We're going to go ahead and open it up. I buy these things all the time. I don't ever use half of them, so who knows. But I was kind of impressed by this because it's wood, little wood letters instead of cheap plastic or whatnot. And again, again, for the first time, I guess, I really liked the just the orange and the black. So I actually really like simple orange and black decor for Halloween. Keep it easy, keep it simple. It kind of just reminds me of vintagey childhood fun. So super happy with my new Happy Halloween banner. Maybe I'll find some use for it this year. Stay tuned to see as we get closer to Halloween. We're going to do some more of these thrift store hauls. We're going to do store walkthroughs. Hopefully we'll fit in some DIYs, maybe some recipes. So lots more coming up as we lead up to October 31st. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see all of the treasures that I passed up this month at the Goodwills. And hopefully they'll get all snatched up and there will be lots of new stuff in its place for next month. So till then, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy haunting.